North Dakota's beauty comes with challenges. When emergencies strike in remote places, every minute counts.
My name is Jeff Bard, and I'm the project manager here for what we've grown to call Project Rural Reach. This is the last phase of a three-part use test, and this one's dealing with emergency and disaster response, showing how we can leverage the UAS technology to improve life and provide services in our rural areas where they currently aren't.
When disaster strikes, whether it's a storm or an accident, traditional methods of response can take hours. Drones give responders eyes in the sky, helping them act faster and more effectively.
Our recent large storm that we had, June 20th of this year, where we had system-wide damage, being able to utilize drones to identify the areas that are actually downed and being able to dispatch the crews that we're using to do inspections will significantly reduce outage time, getting people back into service. It's a much more efficient tool in that aspect.
Advanced sensors like infrared and heat mapping extend the reach of emergency crews. From the air, drones can detect heat signatures, spot survivors, and give law enforcement the clarity they need in dangerous situations.
When you have a public safety officer and he's able to put a drone up in the sky and he can differentiate between, is that a gun that he's holding in his hand or is that something else that is not a threat? You're talking about lives being saved with integrating this technology into the airspace system.
In rural communities, drones can serve as the very first responder, finding the lost, locating accident victims, and relaying life-saving data back to the teams on the ground.
So with fire and EMS, we're able to relay that information to those emergency services. If there's a deadly crash, they're able to get that first responder within, let's say, minutes instead of hours, depending on where you are. With drone as a first responder for these emergency services, that's going to be one of the most important things for each rural and populous area.
Beyond emergencies, UAS technology strengthens rural communities every day, making operations safer, reducing downtime, and supporting critical infrastructure. And it all happens with little disruption to daily life.
We are really trying to foster an environment for the acceptance of UAS.
But just on our day-to-day basis, drones have come in very handy in identifying problems or issues that we can't exactly identify with conventional methods, and then be proactive and do more programmatic patrols and get really good pictures, video, thermal, whatever it is that we're looking to get. And then that will ultimately reduce any kind of blink outages or just outages for members in general.
When minutes mean lives, UAS technology ensures no one is too far away from help, whether it's finding the lost or restoring critical services. In North Dakota, innovation isn't coming. It's already here.